How to log in Walmart Mastercard account online. Hello everybody and welcome to our channel. Today you're going to learn how you can log in into Walmart Mastercard your account online process. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So if you're just looking to make a payment through this platform, you can skip the login or registration and pay as a guest. So in case you need it, you just have to go there, and this is gonna redirect you into a new page so you can continue with your payments. By now, if you just want to log in or create an account, you just have to fill this user ID bar and the password. Even if you want to register, the data this is gonna ask you is your account number and the zip code, and that's it. This is simple. That's how you can log into your account here in Walmart Mastercard online. Thanks for watching.